With that 100,000 naira, you can also make 100,000 naira profits if you're going to follow the steps I'm going to share with you in this video. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing 5 lucrative trending businesses you can start today and make lots of money with just 100,000 naira. These businesses are easy to start, they are trending, very profitable. If you're coming across this face for the first time, hi, I'm Victoria of Dane's channel. We'll talk about how to make money with zero capital, little capital, lots of capital. Egg distribution and retailing is one profitable business you can go into with 100,000 naira. New studies have shown that the high consumption of egg helps build our body and helps our body fight lots of diseases and keeps us healthy. As a result of that, a lot of persons are running out of eggs now. A crate of egg does not last up to a week in my home. That tells you how profitable the egg distribution business is. How do you get started with just 100,000 naira? Let's look for a source where you can be getting these eggs at cheaper rates. Okay, you can go look for 2, 3, 4 poultry houses to the production of eggs. Have an arrangement with them that you can be coming daily or weekly to get eggs from them. Once you reach an agreement, tell them that you want to take pictures or do videos. Take those video clips, edit them, then go to stores. Go to those that's into the sale of foodstuff. Go to homes, okay, supermarkets. Tell them that you can be distributing, can send them eggs on a daily basis, on a weekly basis. Okay, of course, when you get the price from the poultry, you add a little to it. Business is all about turnover. Okay, Drumit be a middleman between the store and the poultry house. Within a week, if you're serious, if you have lots of people you can be distributing this egg to, within a month, trust me, you can triple that 100,000 naira. Obviously, invest your profit to it and watch yourself grow and smile. Shawarma, pizza, grilled chicken spot business is another very lucrative business you can go into. With that 100,000 naira, just decide, first of all, decide on which one you want to go into. You want to go into grilled chicken, you want to go into pizza making, shawarma making, or you want to mesh soup. Once that is done, with 20,000 naira, 30,000 naira, from that 100,000 naira you left, look for someone that is doing pretty well in that business. Sit under the person's tutelage for a month, learn from the person, and then when you're done, and the third assignment I'm going to give to you is look for a busy junction or somewhere very close to the university. Put your businesses in these busy areas. Start grilling chicken, start making shawarma, start making pizza. And the pizza, you can make different varieties, make lots of money. And when you're done, make sure you pay very profitable business you can go into is mini importation. Now you can say, Vicky, with 100,000 mini importation, calm down. You can join groups. Mini importation is not as difficult as it used to be before. You can join groups that do this mini importation together. Look for products, high in demand products that you can start with. That your 100,000 naira. Start importing those groups. You know, when you join groups, sometimes you're not buying everything. For example, if you're buying a carton of soap, for example, let's say a carton of extract soap is being sold for something thousand, right? That if you don't have that money, one good thing about pairing is you can buy half. You can see people that can pair with you to buy one carton. So once the goods get to Nigeria, you divide it into 2. You go with your half, a person goes with the person's half. But with your 100,000 naira, look for products you can buy. For example, let me give you examples of products you can import in these groups. You can import soaps, bathing soap, body wash. You can import charcoal bamboo soap. You can import. I'm telling you because we import and sell. Okay, so we sell baby wipes, we sell facial wipes, we import and sell baby wipes, facial wipe, extract soap, as the case may be. So let's say you want to go into the importation of baby wipes. I'm sure you've seen these baby wipes before, right? This is the baby wipes. So you can buy these baby wipes with that 100,000. You can get some few cartons of that baby wipes. Once it comes, your target audience should be stores, should be supermarkets, should be mothers that are still giving birth. You market this thing to them. Trust me, the profit margin you're going to get, it will be almost 100% of the profits. Okay, then buy this product, resell. Okay, after reselling your profit, put it back into the business. Start buying. Before you know, you've gotten a warehouse selling either soap, baby wipes, detergent, baby diapers, and all of that. So mini importation business is one very profitable business. If you decide to go into shoes, clothes, school bags, handbags, okay, you can join groups that into these things. Go and do research and start this business. So mini importation business is one profitable business you can go into with 100,000 naira and double your profits. Another very profitable business you can go into. This one is you are sure of your 100% profit in this business. Is the sale of undiluted oil perfume. I can keep drumming this loud because I own a brand like some of you already know. I'm the CEO of Nuvia Center, an oil perfume business that into the sale of undiluted oil perfume that lasts from 48 hours to 72 hours on your fabric. We don't mix here. With that 100,000 naira, you can also make 100,000 naira profits if you're going to follow the steps I'm going to share with you in this video. And in case you're looking for a trusted vendor, let me be your trusted vendor. I reside in the city of Port Harcourt. So with that 100,000 naira, you can get these are refill 100 ml refill bottles. You can get bottles like this. These are 100 ml refill bottles. You can get some fragrances because let's say you have Sugar Baby, you have Real Access, Just Savage. You can buy 100 ml of some of these fragrances, fast selling fragrances, or you can go for the 50 ml. Yeah, this is the 50 ml bottle. Then after that, you get the packaging bottles. So we have 100 ml bottles, we have 50, we have 30, we have 10, 6, 3 meals, as the case may be. Then you get the stickers, your packages. Going to this business this way will guarantee you more profits than buying these already filled bottles. Going buying this the refill bottles, getting the bottles, getting the stickers, refilling it yourself and selling, you make more profit than buying these already filled bottles. No other food vendor will tell you this secret, but you know I don't get keep. I am telling you black and white as it is. So my price is one of the best price you will see outside there. Okay, so I am not kidding you. Just slide into my DM. Business is another business, profitable business you can go into and make a lot of money. Do you know why? Because of the way the economy is. Women no longer want to sit at home and wait for their husbands to provide for their every need. They want to go out and hustle and make lots of money. And some of these women from the age of 25 to 30 something are in their childbearing stage. So what does that tell you? They have either one, two, three children. Okay, some have newborn babies that they cannot carry these babies to the workplace, to their offices and all of that. So you're looking for a daycare center. They're looking for someone trusted that they can hand over their babies to and be at rest that your babies is safe. Okay, some of them don't want living house help anymore because of all the horrible things to be hearing about house helps. So that's where you come in. How do you start this daycare business? You have a house, a living room that is clean. Auntie, your business has already started. All you have to do, if the paint is not looking sharp, you buy a bucket of paint, repaint it. Okay, do you have television in the house? Go and buy a flash drive. Download kids friendly cartoons, songs, rhymes. Then you get these baby mats, right? Get this baby mat, get friendly toys. Then you start, go to Canva, right? Creates good designs, creates flyers and post on social media. You can even start with people living around you. If you have a good character if you have good character and you are kids friendly, people know you that you're friendly with kids, you play with kids, you're careful, you are neat. That is the selling point, guys. People around you may even be your first customers. Once they patronize you and everything is intact, they will start referring you to their friends and to their family. Make sure you don't eat a child's food. Make sure you don't eat a child's food. Please. Please don't eat the child's food. Now, when you grow in this business, you can start for security reasons. You can install CCTV camera. But if you don't have that yet, you can still go into this business if people trust you. Another thing, if you have two camera phones, you can just put one on standby, record it. Yes, to aid security, to aid people to trust you. So once people come at the end of the day, they come to pick their child. You can say, okay, this is the recording of the day's activity. Okay, you can send them to their WhatsApp. If they check and they find out that it was not the camera captured everything that happened from when they drop the kids to when the kids are eating to when the kids are playing, and there was no pause at any point, that will build trust and they start referring you. So that's another very profitable business you can go into. Make a lot of money. Before we proceed, have you joined this amazing family by hitting that subscribe button? Have you liked? Have you dropped a comment? If you've not, I'll give you some few seconds to do that. Are you done? Thank you. But if you have not still done, please join this amazing family by hitting that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section. If there are other businesses you feel can start with 100,000, drop it in the comment section. We can learn from each other. And you can also share this video to your family and friends. You don't really know who this video can be of help to. Share. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I don't take you for granted. You know that, right? I don't take you for granted. Thank you for watching this video to this very end. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Remember, I love you. I'm going to see you all in my next video.